Hello friends, today is the third day of Colors of Celebration, our festival display at Craft Adda by Morpunk Design, and I'm Moindrila Ghosh, as you all know. So we had a very successful 2 days, the weekend, which we just happened very well, and hopefully the rest of the week would go well. And these are today I'm quickly doing some cotton videos because cottons some people wanted to know about the new creations in cotton, and also how to go about purchasing it. The purchase is like it's basically that it can be through a bank transfer, through our scan, or through the mode of payment can be through this the Google Pay, which I can share my scan, and you can merely pay through it, or bank transfer. Else there is no COD available because we are a very small brand, so no COD facility. And let me showcase. Please forgive me for my bad throat. I'm not quite in a good condition, but definitely will showcase the video. So the first sari is on a Dharwar cotton. It's from Dharwar. These cottons, this handspun khadi. It's this handspun khadi cottons are woven in Dharwar, Karnataka. These are border regions of Maharashtra, Karnataka. So Dharwar cottons, and very very nice cottons. Such beautiful natural dye color combinations you get it. So I have given a Kutch work embroidery. I've given a Kutch work embroidery. See the embroidery. Can you see the finesse of the embroidery? Yes. So this is the Kutch work embroidery on this Dharwar cotton. See the sari. It's magnificent. Absolutely magnificent. When I put the palla, so this comes as like this. This is the whole beautiful palla, and if I do the pleats quickly, so that's the whole sari. That's the whole sari. Whole sari has the small woven handcrafted motifs, and so this is basically, if I do the pleats quickly, and see how lovely flowing cotton is this. It's a completely hand spun and handloom cotton, hand spun yarn, because khadi is all hand spun hand spun yarn. So that's the pleats, and that's the palla. So that's the palla. This is the pleats, yeah. And this is the blouse. So the blouse piece is like this. So the blouse piece is also full of work. The blouse piece I have given is also full of work. So that's the blouse piece. See. So this matches the yellow color, the thread color matches with the body of the palla, the colors of the palla. So that's the blouse. I mean, the blouse, if I show, the blouse has a full back work. This is the back work. You can make a jacket size kind of a blouse, and those are on the sleeves. So the sari and the blouse costs 6200 plus shipping, 6200 plus shipping. Second we come to a beautiful Tangail cotton, cotton handloom cotton weave from Bengal. This is a Tangail weave. Can you see the woven border? Beautiful border, and light, very light and nice cotton in 80-84 count. The thread count is 80 by 84. So that's the Tangail. And see, this is a dual tone border combination, pink and blue. So that's a Madhubani art, that's a Madhubani painting, that's a Madhubani painting. Lovely Madhubani painting, lovely hand painting. Madhubani is done from Bihar, so that's the artistry is Mithila, Bihar. And so that's the whole get-up of the sari. That's the whole get-up of the sari. So this is done on a tangail, and I have paid it with a batik blouse. So this is a handloom cotton fabric with a zari border, and this is wax batik done. So that's the pairing. So can you see how beautiful it would look? This blue matches with the border. So I've given this kind of a totally handcrafted one. Totally. I mean, there is nothing machine, or there is nothing printing, screen printing. It's completely done by hand. See, this is a brush work. All the strokes are different and uneven. 4200 sari and blouse, 4200, 4200 plus shipping. वो बटरफ्लाई वाला भी निकाल देना, मैंने निकाला क्या? I have these two remaining cutwork sarees with me. This is for a special query. I'm showing these two sarees. So this is one. This is also a handloom cotton on which this floral cutwork is being done. So it's a check. It's an orange check. It's kind of, the body is like this, pateda or other kind of Kanchipuram checks. So this is kind of a check woven body. Gamcha, basically this is also gives a gamcha look of the body. It's a handloom fabric with this kind of cutwork roses, and so this is, the cutwork has been filled by this organza fabric. So that's the very majestic color combination and very nice and light cotton. And the border, see, the border edges are done this in the scallop way. The scalloping has been done on the border. And so the sari comes like this, where the pleats portion has again this kind of cutwork design. The pleats portion again has this kind of cutwork design. You can team this sari with a plain maroon colored blouse, and that would look extremely beautiful. This kind of a selvage, that scallop border. So that's the palla, and that's the pleats. Yeah, so that's the pleats. So this is the palla and pleat combination. Okay, so this sari is priced at 3200, 3200 plus shipping, 3200 plus shipping. So it's a very nice soft cotton. The last of our butterfly sarees, the last of our cutwork butterfly sarees, I'm just showcasing. So that's the combination. This is a pink one. It's a pink one, lovely pink color, see. And the combinations of colors which I have given in the organza fabric to fill up the butterflies are amazing. I mean, are very, very beautiful and very coordinated. So that's the palla. That is the palla. See, it's beautiful, extremely beautiful. Multicolored butterflies flying around, gives a very natural and a very nature setting look, forest look. So the pink color is also very, very attractive. It's kind of a little darker than the baby shade of pink. So that's the pleats. The pleats will have these butterflies. Again, like this. So the whole sari has the palla, and the body is kind of a border, it's going, and the pleats have a double line of these butterflies. And so this sari, I have teamed it up with a cotton silk blouse piece matching with the butterflies. So this sari is priced at 3500, 3500 plus shipping, 3500 plus shipping. Another Bengal cotton, another very beautiful Bengal cotton, rich dark maroon. See, this is a little darkish maroon, so this kind of a dark maroon color. And this has this pitai zari work. So this pitai zari work is basically, it's a machine embroidery where the zari are being put by the machine, and then it's been flattened with a that pitai work. So that's the pitai zari work. So it's a very nice and a very gorgeous kind of a sari in cotton. And see, this is the woven border. The scallop has been done at the end, and these temples are being done by through embroidery. So, and these golden lines are woven. So that is the sari. It's a majestic one. It's quite a majestic one. So so that's the complete sari. So these zari ambis, these zari paisleys, I would call it paisleys, are all over the sari, all over the sari. Okay, like this. So that's a very beautiful sari, and I have teamed this sari with this kind of a Banarasi fabric blouse. I have teamed this sari with this Banarasi fabric blouse. So when you wear this kind of a, you know, tanchoi kind of a look, tanchoi, it's a reverse weaving. It's a reverse weaving. So this kind of a blouse piece will give this sari a beautiful lift. So you can you know, team this. So this sari, the price of this sari is and the blouse is 3200, 3200 plus shipping, 3200 plus shipping. A very soft, absolutely, you know, one of the softer varieties of dhania khali. Dhania khali is dhone khali, what we call in Bangla, colloquial Bangla, is a district in West Bengal where these saris are woven. These saris are woven. The speciality of these saris are these kind of woven V. The woven V lines you can see. We call it dhaner sheesh, dhan. You know, the dhan, the seeds. So we call it dhaner sheesh. This woven V lines are woven like this. So that's the originality and speciality of dhania khali. Nowadays, weavers are weaving without this line also. So it has a horizontal weave all through. Again, Ganga Jamuna border palla. One is maroon, one is red. And very soft. As you can see, it has a very flowy effect. Very flowy effect. So that's the combination. That is the combination. So that's the combination of the sari. You can see like this. Very beautiful and very nice. It differs, the quality, the pricing of these saris differ from qualities, because people make in very low quality cotton, which doesn't, which one wash it just goes for a toss. But this is a very nice and a thicker variety and very nice cotton, absolutely crease free, beautiful cotton. So this is for 2700 plus shipping, 2700 plus shipping. That doesn't have a blouse piece. Now we come to a Begumpuri sari, handloom Begumpuri sari. We come to a handloom Begumpuri sari. So this has a, I have to open this sari properly because otherwise you would not understand. So this is the palla of the sari. It's a lovely mango yellow kind of a shade. So that's the palla. Palla, it's hand painted. The palla is hand painted, and see the border. The border resembles a Vidarbha Tassar border from Vidarbha. It resembles. It's not from Vidarbha. It's from totally from Bengal. Again, the border has this Ganga Jamuna color combination. The upper border is in the mehendi kind of a shade. Mehendi kind of a shade. The lower border is in rust orange kind of a shade. Rust orange kind of a shade. And I have given these two border color combination for the painting on the palla. This is the palla painting. Absolutely nice soft palla. See, it's Kalamkari inspired. Kalamkari art inspired palla. And so that's the sari. And the pleats have again these vertical lines. Vertical, all these vines, the floral vines come vertically in the pleats. The floral lines come vertically in the pleats. So the palla and the pleats are painted very beautifully and with an fabulous border combination. These saris don't come with blouse. Any color, single color blouse would go, and that's why I haven't given any kind of blouse color in this. So that's the sari. So that's the border. and the sari. So the price of this sari is 4850 plus shipping. Price of the sari is 4850 plus shipping. I can give a plain single color blouse. Just a moment. The next sari is a beautiful handloom cotton from South India. This is from Tamil Nadu only. Very beautiful one with a off-white body texture and a self kind of a woven lines. If you can see these lines, woven lines, and this has an amazingly beautiful Pichwai art painting with Srinathji in the middle. See the palla. It's an amazingly beautiful palla. Absolutely gorgeous palla. This is the figure of Srinathji with two Nandis, and see the whole palla is like this. If I can showcase it better. So this is the Srinathji painting, and that's the palla. And so this basically, the palla has a lovely tissue weave, and the border also has tissue weave. If you can see the shine, can you see the shine? So the border also has a tissue weave. So this is the painting is largely on the borders. So the upper border and the lower border like this, and the body has this small buds, the floral buds. Extremely beautiful. Somebody who loves whites and off-whites would love this kind of a creation with Srinathji. So this is the sari. That's the palla. And this is the sari, and that's the blouse. So the blouse is in this peach brown color. The color is also this is caramel. This is exactly light caramel shade, and the blouse piece has this woven lines inside, and that's the back painting of the blouse. And these two, so there is one and these two on the sleeves. The blouse is basically, it's 80 centimeter, around 80, because these saris don't have much of blouse piece, they don't give. So it is almost 75 to 80 centimeter. You can add a little bit of fabric with this, maybe an off-white frill or a lace like this, anything would do. So that's the blouse piece. Extremely beautiful, and a perfect one before this celebration festival time is coming, Diwali, and the morning evening wear of the saris, Durga Puja. So that's a very nice sari. So the sari and the blouse is for 6390 plus shipping. 6,390. 6390. 6,390 plus shipping. Another very majestic sari. It's a Madurai cotton sari with the tie-dye combination. Madurai cotton sari with this tie-dye combination and a Worli art. So the sari is this. It's a mehendi green and a bottle green combination of the body. So that's the Worli art peacock. That's the Worli peacock. That is the Worli peacock. See the line work. It seems like an embroidery. It's a complete hand painting. Looking like an embroidery. So that's the body, where the whole body has this kind of small buttas, this small buttas in the body. So that's the whole complete body. So any single color blouse would go with this. I can offer a single color blouse if you want, or you can just pick up one. वो plain blouses दिखा दो तो plain blouses का any single color blouse would do with this. So that's the sari, and that's the majestic palla. So see, kind of maybe a shade of this kind of a blouse color, or this kind of a blouse color. If you want, I can provide you with. This sari. This blouse pieces are 300 each. These blouse pieces are in silk cotton fabric. These are 300 each. So this kind of a blouse piece can come with the sari. You can wear this kind of a blouse piece. So this sari costs 4200, 4200 plus shipping. 4200 plus shipping. The next one, the next sari is a beautiful handloom cotton from South India. This is from Tamil Nadu only. Very beautiful one with a off-white body texture and a self kind of a woven lines. If you can see these lines, woven lines, and this has an amazingly beautiful Pichwai art painting with Srinathji in the middle. See the palla. It's an amazingly beautiful palla. Absolutely gorgeous palla. This is the figure of Srinathji with two Nandis, and see the whole palla is like this. If I can showcase it better. So this is the Srinathji painting, and that's the palla. And so this basically, the palla has a lovely tissue weave, and the border also has tissue weave. If you can see the shine, can you see the shine? So the border also has a tissue weave. So this is the painting is largely on the borders. So the upper border and the lower border like this, and the body has this small buds, you know, the floral buds. Extremely beautiful. Somebody who loves whites and off-whites would love this kind of a creation with Srinathji. So this is the sari. This is the sari. That's the palla. That's the palla. And this is the sari. And that's the blouse. So the blouse is in this peach brown color. The color is also this is caramel. This is exactly light caramel shade. And the blouse piece has this woven lines inside. And that's the back painting of the blouse. And these two, so there is one, and these two on the sleeves. These two on the sleeves. These two on the sleeves. The blouse is basically, it's 80 centimeter, around 80, because these saris don't have much of blouse piece, they don't give. So it is almost 75 to 80 centimeter. You can add a little bit of fabric with this, maybe an off-white frill or a lace like this, anything would do. So that's the blouse piece. Extremely beautiful, and a perfect one before this celebration festival time is coming, Diwali, and you know, the morning evening wear of the saris, Durga Puja. So that's a very nice sari. So the sari and the blouse is for 6390 plus shipping, 6900 6390. So this is a mull cotton, and these are the lovely you know, the latest fashion of these you know, tassels. So this sari is like this. It's basically, I have given a polka dot combination in the body and a lovely hand block border like this. Lovely hand block border like this. So the whole sari has this getup. The whole sari has this getup. The whole sari has this getup. See the softness. This looks like a chiffon actually. You know, it gives an appeal of a chiffon. So if I do the pleats like this, this kind of a, I haven't done the pleats very well. But it looks extremely beautiful. So that's the whole sari. And I have given a lovely lavender shade blouse piece with this. Lovely lavender shade blouse piece with this. So anybody can make a sleeveless blouse, a halter one, or a racer back blouse like with this combination. So it will look very nice. This blouse and the sari is priced at 3400. The sari and the blouse is priced at 3400. This is a beautiful hand block sari, mull cotton. Another sari with hand painting. Beautiful hand painting is a Puneri cotton sari. So this is also an only sari. There is no blouse with this, but we can actually give some say single color blouse. वो yellow वाला दिखाओ. So हाँ रखो. So that's the floral painting. It's a very beautiful. The body is cotton by viscose. The body is polycot, not cotton. You know, cotton polycot. So it is basically polyester by cotton. The body of the sari is polyester by cotton. So these are this is kind of a the hand painting on the rich hand painting, rich floral. It's a bouquet. You know, it's a flower bouquet, as you can see on the palla. So that comes like this, and the pleats again has this kind of a flower painting. So, and the body has this this kind of a Maharashtrian you know, Puneri style of border, Puneri sari style. And so this kind of a, so this is like this. So that's the pleats, very rich and a very beautiful maroon sari, very beautiful maroon color. So that's the palla, and all time wear. You can wear these saris all along, all season. I mean, of course in Delhi, not in winters, because winters is quite tough. But and so I you can keep this blouse with this. I haven't this blouse piece. So this blouse piece silk by cotton. So this can be lovely, you know, color shading teaming with this sari. So the sari costs 4800 plus shipping. 4800 plus shipping. 4800 plus shipping, and I can give you that blouse along with this. इसको रखिए दो इसके अंदर. Another very comfortable and lovely Bengal cotton. Comfortable wear, lovely Bengal cotton, and a very smart one. This is another Dhania Khali only. This is another Dhania Khali weave. So this has this kind of a look. See the border. It's again a dual tone border. Upper is the orange. It's a rust orange, and lower is the blue, navy blue and orange combination. So I have given a beautiful hand block, chevron hand block on the palla, and the rest of the sari is this checks, this woven checks. Upper side it is lines. Upper side it is lines, vertical lines, and the lower side it's the checks. So that is the combination. That is the combination of the sari. So it's a very simple and a very nice and elegant one. I would say, like for college, for you know, for working women. So that's the sari. That is the sari, and that's the palla. Very soft and very humble cotton. And so I have teamed this sari with this batik blouse. If you want to you know, wear it a little in a little pop-up way, so this batik wax batik blouse piece is teamed with this. So the work is on the sleeves and work is on the back. So you can take this blouse with this sari. I mean, I have teamed it up, so you can always wear a different style blouse. This sari is priced, sari and the blouse is priced at 3500, 3500 plus shipping. 3500 plus shipping. I had showcased one cotton Madhubani. Now this Madhubani is in cotton tussar by cotton. So this has a sheen. If you can see, this has a sheen here. This has a sheen. So this is tussar by cotton. So that's the palla. Very graceful and a very majestic palla. Very nice, lovely color for the sari. Very nice color. It's a shade of red and off-white. It's actually, in Bengali we call it dudhe alta color. You know, when you put that alta, that the red liquid which we put it in our in our auspicious occasions on our heels. So that the feet around actually. So that's the dudhe alta color. So that's the upper border. That's the lower border. This is the upper border. That's the whole sari. That is the whole sari. So that's the palla. Lovely painting, and these are completely hand painted. There is nothing block or there is nothing screen in the saris. Largely you would get Madhubanis all screen printed at a throwaway price, which is just spoiling the art and spoiling the heritage completely. So please, I would say not to promote people who would just go for a screen printed Madhubani offering. Please don't take it. So this is the blouse piece. So that's the whole sari, and that's the warp is in tussar, and the warp thread is in tussar, the weft is in cotton. So the sari is priced at 5700, 5700 plus shipping. Thank you for now. I'll quickly come with a kantha video. Okay, thank you.